everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a really delicious recipe with you. It's quick and easy to make and it is for a vegan nacho cheese sauce. This is so simple, it only has a few ingredients and they're really easy to get at any supermarket and it's absolutely delicious. You can serve this hot as a nacho sauce, you could serve it over pasta, potatoes, rice, beans. It's really versatile, or you can just keep it at room temperature and use it as a dipping type of sauce or anything really. You can put it on top of fries, mashed potato. The options are absolutely endless, so let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with Plants, vegan made easy.
So first up, what I've done is actually soaked 1 cup of cashews, and people often ask me, do I use raw cashews or roasted cashews? And to be honest, I just use whatever I find at the supermarket that is the most affordable at the time. So whether it's roasted cashews, sometimes they're slightly salted cashews, or raw cashews, it really doesn't make a difference to the overall taste and texture of this. So I just use what's affordable at the time, and if something is on sale, I'll buy some cashews or some almonds, etc., and I'll put them in my freezer because it actually keeps them fresh. And then I just use a cup of these and I soak them in some hot boiled water, or you could just use room temperature water and let it soak for as long as you like, really. I usually soak them for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes if I'm using a smaller, less powerful blender, or you could soak them overnight as well. So the longer the better if you don't have a powerful blender. So I've just put them into the medium-sized cup of my TriBest blender, and I'm just going to add a few other ingredients and blend this up. So I'm actually going to add some nutritional yeast flakes. I just love the flavor of these. And if you don't have any on hand, you could use a combination of maybe some miso paste and tahini. It gives a similar type of flavor, absolutely delicious in a cheesy sauce. So maybe a tablespoon of miso paste and a tablespoon of tahini, and add that in instead, and it gives a nice cheesy tang. Then I'm just adding a pinch of salt and pepper. You can just adjust that to your personal preference. You could leave the salt out. I've just got a couple of pinches of coarse Celtic sea salt, and I've also got some white pepper. I just find that it's a slightly sweeter type of pepper and it tastes delicious in vegan cheesy sauces. Then I've also got 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, or you could use garlic powder, or you could even use a fresh clove of garlic, totally up to you, whatever you have on hand. And then I'm also adding in 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I've squeezed a lemon as well, so the juice of a lemon is going in. And then I've got 1/2 cup of water, so this is just filtered water, and topping that up. And then I'm just going to give this a blender and then just give it a taste at the end and adjust the seasonings. If you want it a little bit more salty, if you want it more tangy, then add some more of the lemon juice. It's totally up to you how you make this and adjust the flavors to your own palate. So I'm just going to give this a quick blitz up. So I actually just started to blend this and realized that I forgot to add hot sauce into this. I like to add some sriracha, but you could use whatever hot sauce you have on hand. So I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of that in as well. And again, just adjust it to your own palate, how spicy you like things. I'll just give this another blitz up. Okay, and this is finished blending. I've blended this for about 2 minutes just to make it go nice and creamy. And it's really thick, so you can dollop it onto pizza if you wanted to, or you could use it in a vegan lasagna, or like I like to use it is in nachos, and it's nice and thick and it just is so versatile. Look how thick and creamy that is. It smells delicious. I just need to give it a taste test. That is so good. It just, it really packs a flavor punch. All of those ingredients just combine so nicely, and with the hot sauce it adds that extra kick. So like I said, this is perfect to serve over pasta as well, not just nachos. It goes really well with rice and beans. So just adjust the flavors to your own palate, but this is such a quick and easy sauce that you can use on virtually anything. So I hope that you give this a try. It's absolutely delicious. And why not join me in my Facebook group and show me some photos of what you're using this sauce on. I would love to see what you're making. And everyone else there is so friendly, and they share recipes and photos of what they're making. So come and join us. It's absolutely fun there. And I'll leave a link below to that group, and I'll see you for the next recipe. Bye for now. This is so good. Oh, yum.